So this is exactly how to get Palworld invite code on your PlayStation 5. So either you yourself create a game and then you will be able to see the invite code on that one, or if your friend gives you an invite code, you can click right here and enter it to be able to play together, as you can see. But for this tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how you can get your own invite code. So click on Start Game here and click on Create New World and then Confirm, and then Multiplayer toggled on here and Crossplay is also on. Then I'm just going to click on OK and click on Yes. And then I will be able to create my own server here, as you can see, or my own world basically. And then I'm just going to click on Confirm here and click on Start Game and click on Yes. So now we're gonna start the game here finally, I believe, and I'm just gonna skip this animation. So now in here I'm just gonna click on this button on my controller, swipe to options, and you can see on options here, you can see here there's the invite code. So if I click on the eye icon, I will be able to see the invite code here that you can give to your friend, and you will then be able to play together with them basically. And that is exactly how to actually get it.